Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me LG Q70 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, you need to press and hold power button, then press and hold power off button, and click restart, and wait a while. Okay, that's it. As you can see, I'm in safe mode now. So there is a transparent text safe mode. As you can see, transparent safe mode logo. In this mode, third-party applications are not working. In this mode, only pre-installed applications are active. So in this way, you can easily remove viruses or bad applications or applications with administrator access to your device, with root access. So this is the great way to clean up your device. So I think I have helped you. So that's it. If you want to close the safe mode, just press and hold power button and just click restart, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.